Dear students, in the previous video we have seen the first form of equation of plane and also discussed some of the points about that equation of plane. In this session we are going to solve problems on that equation of plane. Let us consider the problems on planes. See here, this is the diagram for this plane here. In the 3D space we have that plane and also we have these all, means we have already discussed in the previous video. So ON is the distance from the origin, it is equal to D here, that n cap is a unit normal to the plane. Now take that question number 1. Find the vector equation of a plane which is at a distance of 7 units from the origin and normal to the vector 3i plus 5j minus 6k. So that here we can find out the vector equation by using these data. Now that given the distance of that plane, here it is 7 units, so that D is equal to 7. Now that given normal vector is n vector, so this is equal to 3i plus 5j minus 6k. But to find out vector equation of a plane, we need to find a unit normal. So that is what here n cap. So this will be equal to vector n divided by magnitude of n vector. Right. So let us find out the magnitude of the vector here. That is, here magnitude of n vector is equal to here 3 square plus 5 square is 25 plus minus 6 whole square is equal to what here 36. So that square root of 9 plus 25 plus 36, which is exactly equal to, that is square root of 70. Now write down the unit normal here. That is n cap is equal to vector n divided by magnitude of vector n. So this will be equal to, that is 3i plus 5j minus 6k divided by square root of 70. So this is the value of n cap. N cap means that is unit normal. Therefore, the vector equation of the plane is given by r vector dot n cap is equal to D. So this is the vector equation of the plane in the first form. Right. Now we can replace that values here. R dot n cap is what here 3i plus 5j minus 6k divided by square root of 70 is equal to, that D value is what here 7. Right. So this is the vector equation of the plane. Now question number 2. Determine the direction cosines of the normal to the plane and the distance from the origin if the Cartesian equation is 2x plus 3y minus z is equal to 5. So that given equation of the plane is 2x plus 3y minus z is equal to 5. So now here we have to find out the direction cosines. So because of that, first we need to find direction ratios of normal. Right. Therefore, here we have to take down ABC. These are the direction ratios of the normal here. Right. So if ABC are the direction ratios, then you can find out direction cosines are L is equal to plus or minus C divided by square root of A square plus B square plus C square. M is equal to plus or minus B divided by square root of A square plus B square plus C square, and N is equal to plus or minus C divided by square root of A square plus B square plus C square. Let us consider 2, 3, minus 1 are the direction ratios, means ABC value. Now find out that square root of a square plus b square plus c square, this will be equal to 2 square means 4 plus 3 square is 9 plus minus 1 square is 1. So which is exactly equal to square root of 14. Now we can divide both sides of this equation of plane by that square root of 14. So it becomes 2 by square root of 14x plus 3 by square root of 14y minus 1 divided by square root of 14z is equal to 5y square root of 14. So now it is in the standard form, that is Lx plus My plus Nz is equal to D. So in that here D is the distance, but in this given equation of plane, this 5 is not the distance of that plane from the origin. So that here this only the distance from the origin. So the direction cosines of the normal are 2 by square root of 14, 3 by square root of 14 and similarly minus 1 by square root of 14. So these are the direction cosines of the normal. Now this is here the distance from the origin, that is what here 5 by square root of 14. This is how to find out direction cosines and also the distance from the origin. Now consider the question number 3. Find the Cartesian equation of the following plane. R vector dot I plus j minus k equal to 2. So that it is the vector equation of the plane. Let us find out Cartesian equation of this plane. Consider this is as equation number 1. Now for the solution, here let R vector is equal to xi plus yj plus zk, because this is the position vector of the point P here. So that point has the coordinates x, y, z. Therefore that R vector can be expressed as here xi plus yj plus zk. Then equation 1 becomes R vector is what here, that is xi plus yj plus zk dot product with I plus j minus k is equal to 2. Next we have to multiply, means we can do that dot product here. So x into 1 plus y into 1 plus z into minus 1 is equal to 2. Now make the simplification, it becomes x plus y minus z is equal to 2. So this is the Cartesian equation of the given plane. So this is the required answer for this question. Let us go for the next question number 4. Find the Cartesian equation of the following plane. R dot into the bracket of 2i plus 3j minus 4k is equal to 1. Now from the same procedure from the previous example, here also you can find out the Cartesian equation. So consider this given equation of plane as equation number 1. For the solution, let that equation of the plane is r dot 2i plus 3j minus 4k is equal to 1. Now let r vector is equal to xi plus yj plus zk. Already I have told you in the previous example that r vector is the position vector of the point P has the coordinates x, y, z. Therefore that r vector can be taken as xi plus yj plus zk. Now that equation number 1 becomes xi plus yj plus zk because this is the value of r vector. Next, dot product with 2i plus 3j minus 4k is equal to 1. Now do that dot product here. X into 2 plus y into 3 plus z into minus 4 is equal to 1. Now make the simplification. It becomes 2x plus 3y minus 4z is equal to 1. So this is the required answer for this given problem to finding the Cartesian equation of a plane. Now we go for the next example. Question number 5. Find the distance of the plane 2x minus 3y plus 4z minus 6 equal to 0 from the origin. Given that is 2x minus 3y plus 4z is equal to 6. So this is equation of the plane here. Now we have to find out the direction ratios of normal. So 2 minus 3, 4 are direction ratios of normal. So they can be denoted by A, B, C respectively. If ABC are direction ratio, then you can find out here L, M, N as it is, because this 6 is not the distance of the plane from the origin. So that here we have to find out here direction cosine. After that you can get the value of distance from the origin. Therefore A is equal to 2, B is equal to minus 3 and C is equal to 4 here. Now find out square root of A square plus B square plus C square, because to find the denominator of these L, M, N values here. So it is equal to square root of 2 square is 4 plus minus 3 whole square is 9 plus 4 square is 16. So which is exactly equal to square root of 29. Right. So that we can divide this whole equation of plane on both sides by using the square root of 29. So it becomes 2 divided by square root of 29. 2 divided by square root of 29 x minus 3 divided by square root of 29 y plus 4 divided by square root of 29 z is equal to 6 divided by square root of 29. Right. Therefore, here the distance from the origin to the plane is here, that is 6 by square root of 29, because if that plane is in the form of Lx plus My plus Nz is equal to d, then that d is only the distance from the origin. So after all these procedure, here you can get the value of distance here, that is 6 divided by square root of 29. So that this is only the required answer for this given problem to find the distance of the plane from the origin. So in the next video, here I am going to discuss the second form of equation of a plane and also some of the problems. Thank you, students.